Hi all, my name is Shambhavi and I am from WondrBox. We provide curriculum enrichment program based on experiential learning methodology for kindergarten and nursery classes. Every month, a theme-based box comes with activities like maths puzzles, science experiments, craft projects, vocabulary building games and group games. It helps children to develop thinking, cognitive, social and creative skills. Let's take a look what we have inside WondrBox. WondrBox curriculum comes with a teacher's manual, a set of 10 activities, a progress report card and assessment sheet for every child.
In the teacher's manual, we have description of all the 10 activities and how to do it. Let's take a look on this maths activity, what comes next, based on pattern matching concept and identification of vehicles. This is the art craft project in which a child will learn dot painting. This is the science experiment of creating a balloon car. The displayed activity is for role play in which children will pretend as police officer and vehicles.
In an academic year, we have 10 such themes like seasons, animals, community helpers. Adding to the best part, each activity becomes a takeaway for the child and can be re-performed at home with the parent. Everything you need to run a successful preschool will be delivered every month, ranging from experiential learning curriculum, lesson material and supplies for everyday engagement to student assessment resources. With this comprehensive package at hand, you will get more time to run your school profitable.